Welcome back to another video. After Hurricane Melissa, this is the state of the garden. Here we're having some sorrel. If you can see, we're having blossoms. I lost some of my sorrel. What I did was to mold them up and water them. After the hurricane, a lot of insects eating up the leaves. And not only that, I haven't been in the garden for a while. Over here, this is my little cabbage patch. But I'm having a warm time with the cabbage worms. My peppermint is dying. It's holding on to its last life. This is my lemongrass, otherwise known as fever grass. This is another thing that I'm after dealing with, ants in the garden. I lost my gungo tree in the hurricane. After the hurricane, my callaloo filled with worms, so I cut it back and I end up lost all of it. I lost some peppers also because of the water log. Trying to save my scallions from waterlog and my thyme. These are some small peppers. I almost lost my June plum tree. My gungo. They got a beaten. This is the only red callaloo I have left, and I'm trying to save it. This is where I had my cucumbers. Lost all of them.